Google recommends several tips for driving leads and sales from video ads. Tip number 1 is to enable conversion tracking on your website. You can do this by adding a global site tag to the web pages you'd like to track. For more info on how to do this, check out our video on conversion tracking. Tip number 2 is to run video action campaigns, which consists of in-stream ads and video discovery ads. These ads run on the Google Discovery Network and are optimized to drive more conversions at a lower cost, making your ads more cost-effective. Tip number 3 is to set your bidding and budgeting strategy. Strategies like maximize conversions and target CPA utilize Google's machine learning algorithm to appropriately price and auction your ads. We like to use maximize conversions here at Global Social Media Marketing, but decide what works best for you and your business. Tip number 4, reach audiences that are likely to convert on YouTube. YouTube is a place where people are watching things that they are interested in and that they enjoy. Targeting custom audiences or similar audiences are going to be your best bet for reaching people that are likely to buy your product or service. Tip number 5 is to use cross-network reports to understand how your YouTube video ads are working in the customer journey. These reports will aid you in understanding how well your video ads are performing, as well as areas in your customer journey that can be tweaked and improved. Also, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.